Just a few seconds for you peoples here. Maybe you're not from Montreal, maybe you are. Maybe you moved out years ago and you miss Montreal and you miss the snowstorms. I'm walking north here on Delormier in the Villeray sector. Actually, I tried this yesterday when it wasn't snowing and it was sunny briefly at sunset, but kind of screwed up the video, trying to make it less shorter than a minute. Because if it's really like a minute or more, it really won't be a short by YouTube standards anyway. So I'm keeping an eye on the clock. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.